Let's see the Constitution of India. Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. Let us know the objectives of Preamble. Sovereign means India has its own independent authority, and socialist, which contains democratic socialism, and secular indicates that the citizens have complete freedom to follow and practice any religion. For example, every person has a right to follow any religion according to the systems of law like Hindu, Muslim, etc. Democratic means people enjoy equal political rights like electing their rules. Republic indicates that India is elected by people. Here, India is a republic country. Justice means all the citizens of India should be given social, economic, and political justice. Liberty means freedom. Here, every citizen has their own freedom on their activities. Equality means treating everyone equally regardless of a person's status. Fraternity means a sense of common brotherhood of all Indians, which gives unity to social life. Thanks for watching my video. Please do like, share, and subscribe my channel for more videos.